the stop sign there. We're going to make a left turn. So residential areas, parked vehicles, just look for feet. Might be a short person standing in front of the vehicle.
Yeah.
Obviously it's their feet. And when you go around it, you just go around like a door length. Imagine somebody's opening the door. So left turn. Here we don't really have a line here, right? So you're allowed to stop right at the edge of the road when there's no visible line. Or the edge of the snowbanks. What's nice about winters, you just follow the tracks in front of you.
Yeah, that's what I'm trying to do right now.
Yeah. Unless they lead off into a ditch, then don't follow.
Then yeah, that's not a good thing.
We're going to keep going straight here. First thing I do is I look for where to stop. You do see a line there, a little bit. Maybe not. It was just snow. So yeah, right at the edge, perfect. 1, 2.
Yeah, recently, or not recently, but around October, early October, my buddy got into an accident with his girlfriend and a few other people. Flew out the window and broke both of his femurs, and then his girlfriend got paralyzed from the waist down.
Oh, is that one on skied?
Yeah.
Yeah, left turn here. Yeah, I heard about that. That's tragic, man.
It's very bad. I feel so bad for him.
Yeah, no kidding. It's a 3-way stop.
But yeah, he recovered quick. He got out in 2 weeks.
Yeah.
After breaking both his fingers, which are fine.
Lucky, man.
Oh yeah.
Girlfriend, not so much. She's paralyzed, eh?
Yeah. But the kid that got into the accident, he was he just got his license too. And personally, like, I kind of find he's a dick because he would like make fun of the situation.
Jeez.
He'd make fun of my buddy Davis and his girlfriend.
Really?
And I'm like, dude,
wow.
I need you to stop talking, dude.
Yeah,
that's not funny.
Guy's got no common sense.
No common sense whatsoever, or respect for anybody else.
Yeah,
so
sounds like it. We're gonna go straight here.
All right.
Feel that little kickback in your seat?
Yeah.
And go ahead. That little kickback is evidence that you've come to a full stop.
There we go.
Examiners look for that. If they don't feel that slight little kickback in their seat, they might think you're rolling through the stop sign.
Yeah.
So the little kickback, it's also the first of the 3 seconds for a stop, a full stop. Basically what you're doing when you come to a full stop is you feel the kickback, you count 1, 2, and then you go if the way is clear.